why should we learn how to use some English slang words and phrases? Well, for one thing, it will help you enjoy watching the latest Hollywood movies. But even better, you'll have more confidence in yourself when you speak to Americans or Brits who use slang. Now, in this video, you'll learn about 5 really popular English slang words and phrases that you can use every day. Our lesson begins in less than 10 seconds. It's time to fix your English now. Learning how to use slang number 1 will save you a whole lot of embarrassing moments. I remember years ago when I first heard slang number 1. I had no idea how to answer it. In fact, the answer I gave was totally embarrassing. Oh, but if you think learning slang number 1 is going to be great for you, wait till you learn about slang number 5. It sounds really bad, but it's really lots of fun if you know how to use it. Are you ready to learn about our 5 totally useful slang words and phrases? Let's begin with slang number 1. What's up? I remember the first time someone asked me, "What's up?" I actually looked up. To be honest, I don't remember exactly what I said, but I do remember how I was totally embarrassed. I probably said something dumb like, "The sky is up." So, what does "what's up" mean? Well, it's a casual way of saying, "How are you?" So, if someone asks you, "What's up?" what should you answer? You could say, "Not much. You?" This is the most common answer to the question, "What's up?" Now let's do some role playing and practice answering the question, "What's up?" I'll play Bob. This is me. And this is you. As Bob, I'll ask the question and, of course, you'll reply with, "Not much. You?" Let's begin. Exercise 1. I haven't seen you in a while. What's up? Exercise 2. Hey, Jasmine told me you were in town, so what's up? Exercise 3. Hey, I'm glad you're here, so what's up? Great job in completing your 3 role-playing exercises using "What's up?" Knowing how to answer slang number 1 is great, but knowing how to use slang number 5 will really get people to totally enjoy being around you. But first, let's get to slang number 2. Slang number 2, awesome. Now here's a word you'll hear all the time. You'll hear it used in the movies. Americans and Brits, young or old, they love using this word all the time. You can use the word awesome when you want people to know that you think something is wonderful or amazing. You can use it in a sentence or you can use it as a one-word reply. Let's do some role-playing again. This time, let's practice using the word awesome. I'll play Bob again and I'll start each exercise. Exercise 1. Did you like the pizza we had for lunch? Exercise 2. It looks like you got along well with Lisa, so what did you think of her? Exercise 3. We're going to the beach tomorrow. Do you want to join us? Great job again in completing the 3 role-playing exercises using awesome. Okay then, let's move on to slang number 3, busted. This is another slang word you'll hear all the time. What exactly does busted mean? When someone is caught doing something they shouldn't be doing or saying, that person is busted. Okay, it's role-playing time again. Let's practice using the word busted. I'll play Bob again and I'll start each exercise. Exercise 1. I'm broke. Should I take $20 from Dad's wallet? Exercise 2. What's Dan doing at the police station? Exercise 3. Don't worry about the red light. We're in a hurry. Drive anyway. Awesome! You've completed our 3 role-playing exercises using busted. Now, let's move on to slang number 4, hooked. Here's another slang word that you can use all the time. But what exactly does hooked mean? If you find yourself hooked on something or just hooked, that means you're addicted to something and you just can't get enough of it. Let's do some more role-playing to practice using the word hooked. Again, I'll play Bob and I'll start each exercise. Exercise 1. Yesterday, Jane and I watched 7 full episodes of The House of Cards on Netflix. Exercise 2. I think I spent half of my salary last month at McDonald's, KFC, and Dunkin' Donuts. Exercise 3. You've been playing that game from 9 till 1 for over a month now. What's going on? Okay, you're doing great. You've completed your 3 role-playing exercises using hooked. Now that you've made it this far, it's time for slang number 5, pig out. I think one of the best ways to have real fun with family and friends is to eat out together. The good news is it doesn't even have to be expensive. I know of many restaurants that offer eat-all-you-can buffets for as little as $10 per person. By the way, since we're talking about food and having fun with family and friends, this is the perfect time to learn how to use pig out. So, what does it mean to pig out? Well, when you eat too much of something at one time, that's pigging out. Have you ever pigged out? I surely have. Let's take a few minutes to do some role-playing to practice using the phrase pig out. Again, I'll play Bob and I'll start each exercise. Exercise 1. Yesterday, my team and I had an awesome time while eating a mountain of food at David's party. Exercise 2. The whole office is going out for lunch and our boss is paying. Are you coming? Exercise 3. My wife and I are going on a cruise for 7 days. I'll probably come home 10 pounds heavier. Well, there you have it. The 5 slang words and phrases that will help you boost your fluency in English once you start using them correctly. Let's do a quick recap of the slang words and phrases we covered in this video. Slang number 1, what's up? Slang number 2, awesome. Slang number 3, busted. Slang number 4, hooked. And slang number 5, pig out. Now, which one of these 5 words or phrases is your favorite? Just send me your comment after this video. I'd really love to know. Also, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be available for you. Okay then, you have yourself a great day and God bless.